Hi guys, it's me again. So today we're going to go over week 10, page 1 for the daily math and also week 10, day 2. So in this first problem we have, oops, I can't even see it, 3 1/8 plus 2.5. Oops, it's supposed to be plus. All right, if you remember, you need to get the least common denominator, which is the down number. So we need to look at the multiples of 8. And that would be, 8, 16, 24. Let's go ahead and stop there. Multiples of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8. Bam. There's the 8 is what they have in common. 8. 8, 1/8 stays the same. 2 times what equals 8? And that's 4. 1 times 4 is 4. Now we proceed to add the 4 and the 1. That is 5. The denominator stays the same. We add the 3 and the 2. 5 and 5/8 is your answer. Very good. I hope you got that. Next we have an addition problem. 5 plus 5 is 10. 8 plus 8, 16, plus 1 is 17. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 7 is 17. 2, 3. Bring down the 1. That number would be 13,770. If somewhere along the way I make a mistake, somebody please contact me either by texting me, calling me, or tell me on Class Dojo. Write the percent form of each fraction. So 1/2, we have talked about that before, with 100% being a whole. So half of 100% would be 50%. 3/4 of that 100% is like 3/4 of it. So think of 3/4 as if you have $1, and that would be 75%. 7/10, if you divide that 100 by 10, they're each one little piece and you have 7 of them, that would be 70%. 4/5 would be if the 5 is like the 10, you put it into the 10 pieces, double that 4, it would be 80%. Very good. What is the least common multiple of 6 and 10? So when we're looking at multiples, same thing as we did over here. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 10, 20, 30. Least one is the number 30. Okay, hope you got that one. Draw and label a Venn diagram that shows the intersection of the sets below. Venn diagram, if you guys remember, I hope you do, is like that. This would be set A, set B, and what they have in common. There's no 2. They both have a 10 is the only one that they have in each set. Then A would be 2, 4, 6, 8, 5, 20, 30, 40. Very good. Please hold. Okay, guys, I'm going to try to do it a little bit closer. Here's the first one. 6 7/10 minus 3 2/5. Okay, so we got 6 7/10 minus 3 2/5. Once again, we must find the least common denominator. We could look at the 5 and go to 5, 10, and notice that 10 would be our least common denominator. If you need to, you can put out the multiples and find it that way. How many 5s are in 10? It's 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Then this one doesn't change. We add the numerators. 7 plus 4 is 11. That would be 11/10. But we have to take out one of the whole numbers, and we subtract a 10 out of 10 because that equals a whole. And so we'll have, wait a minute, I'm Confucius. Please hold. Okay, before we do that, my bad. Let's go ahead and subtract the 3 from the 6, and that's 3. 3 and 11/10. If that is your answer, you can leave it like that. However, you should put it in its lowest terms. We can take out a full whole from here, like I said, by subtracting a 10 out of 10 and bringing that over here, and that'll make it a 4. And what's left over when we subtract that is 1/10. 4 and 1/10 is your reduced answer. Take a look at that one. I know I was slightly confused on that one. Let me know if you need more clarification on that. Next one, good old subtraction. Please make sure you can subtract all numbers before you start subtracting. Can we take away 6 from 3? No. Go to your friendly neighbor. That's a 7. Bring the 1 over. Okay. Can we take away 1 from 7? Yes. 0 from 7? Yes. 2 from 5? Yes. 6 from 9? Yes. 4 and nothing? Yes. We are ready to subtract. 13 minus 6 is 7. 7 minus 1 is 6. 7 minus 0 is 7. 5 minus 2 is 3. 9 minus 6 is 3, and you bring down the 4. Don't forget your comma. 1, 2, 3. 433,767. Very good. Here we go. What is the chance or probability of spinning a 3? How many 3s are on there? 2 out of 6, because there's 6 in all. We got to reduce that to its lowest terms, and that'll be 1/3. So your probability of spinning a 3 is 1 out of 3. I was going to say, so it's that last one right there. Okay, we haven't really gotten to probability, but we'll explain that more as more comes up. Here we go. Simplify the expression 6 times 2 minus 4. Remember, we do what's in the parentheses first. 6 times 2 is 12 minus 4 is 8. Your answer is 8. Thank you. Have a nice day. What is the average score per game? So to find the average score, you need to add up all these numbers and then divide it by 5. Okay, so let me add. 9 plus 8 is 17, plus 7 is 24, plus 6 is 30. 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 5 is 15, plus 3 is 18, 19, 25, 31. 310, and then remember I said you need to divide that by 5. 5 can't go into 3. 5 can go into 31 6 times. Bring down, subtract 1 and 0. 10 goes into 5 2 times evenly, and you have no remainder. So your answer is 62. Okay, if you have any questions with that, be sure to let me know, and I will be doing the daily language review next. Thank you. We'll talk to you later. Bye.